Hi guys, goldfries here, and I'm sure we're all excited over AMD's Ryzen APU with VEGA onboard GPU, specifically the Ryzen 5 2400G and the Ryzen 3 2200G. The thing about these APU is that you need to make sure your board supports it. Firmware aside, there are some boards that do not come with video output. In order to use the APU's onboard graphics, you need at least some form of output. Instead of making a list of boards that have output, I'm going to list the boards that do not have any form of output, so let's start. ASRock has the most number of boards that are without video output. They are the X370 Taichi, the X370 Pro Gaming, the AB350M, and the A320M. For ASUS model, there's only the ROG CROSSHAIR 6 Hero that doesn't have it. And for MSI, it's also just the X370 Gaming M7 ACK. Gigabyte AORUS and Biostar's board all come with video output, so there's no worry about that. Your board isn't in the list? Then good for you. Now you just need to find out what form of video connector the board comes with. Not every board has HDMI. Bear in mind that this list is based on what I browsed on their official website. Forgive me if there's any wrong information. Do always check the board for your intended output before buying, and of course remember to have it flash to a firmware that supports the Ryzen APU. That's all for now. Do remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and do remember to share this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.